To ensure consistent product quality, the manufacturer decided to blank a comprehensive quality control system across all facilities. A. Implement. B. Complement. C. Implicate. D. Exemplify. The correct answer is implement. By the time the CEO arrived at the conference, the keynote speech blank already been delivered by the guest speaker. A. Has. B. Had. C. Will have. D. Would have. The correct answer is had. Not only blank the marketing budget been approved, but additional funds were also allocated for the campaign. A. Has. B. Did. C. Had. D. Have. The correct answer is has. The financial analyst provided a detailed blank of the company's earnings report, highlighting key trends and anomalies. A. Review. B. Revise. C. Reverse. D. Reward. The correct answer is review. Due to the supplier's inconsistent delivery schedules, we need to negotiate more blank shipping terms moving forward. A. Favorable. B. Observant. C. Redundant. D. Inadvertent. The correct answer is favorable. If the new software update blank properly, the support team will address any reported issues by the end of the week. A. Performs. B. Will perform. C. Had performed. D. Performed. The correct answer is performs. Before finalizing the proposal, please ensure that all financial figures have been accurately blank and cross-checked for errors. A. Compiled. B. Complemented. C. Complemented. D. Complicated. The correct answer is compiled. Applicants blank to submit their resumes and cover letters electronically by the application deadline will not be considered. A. Failing. B. Failing to. C. Fail. D. Failing at. The correct answer is failing to. After reviewing the audit findings, the compliance officer recommended a thorough blank of existing internal controls. A. Assessment. B. Assignment. C. Assimilation. D. Assertion. The correct answer is assessment. To streamline communication, the department head organized a weekly blank with all project managers to discuss progress and roadblocks. A. Briefing. B. Borrowing. C. Blurring. D. Brokering. The correct answer is briefing. The marketing campaign was postponed, blank insufficient budget allocation, despite positive initial feedback from customers. A. Due to. B. Because of. C. owing to, D, thanks to. The correct answer is due to. Please ensure that the new vendor's contract includes a clear indemnity, blank, to protect the company against potential legal claims. A. Clause. B. Cause. C. Course. D. Course. The correct answer is clause. To accommodate remote work arrangements, the HR department implemented a flexible, blank, policy allowing variable start and end times. A. Scheduling. B. Secluding. C. Seething. D. Signaling. The correct answer is scheduling. Having, blank, the latest market trends. The research team compiled their recommendations into a comprehensive report. A. Analyzed. B. Analyzing. C. Analyze. D. Analysis. The correct answer is analyzed. The IT infrastructure upgrade required a significant blank of new network hardware and software. Licenses. A. Investment. B. Invest. C. Investor. D. Investigate. The correct answer is investment. By the end of next quarter, the sales team, blank, exceeded its targets for 5 consecutive periods. A. Will have. B. Will. C. Would have. D. Has. The correct answer is will have. All invoices, blank, beyond the standard 30-day payment term will incur a late fee of 1.5% per month. A. Submitted. B. Submit. C. Submitting. D. To submit. The correct answer is submitted. In light of recent budget constraints, the CEO emphasized the importance of cost, blank, across all departments. A. Containment. B. Contempt. C. Contentment. D. Contingency. The correct answer is containment. The customer service supervisor urged her team to maintain a professional and blank tone when handling client inquiries. A. Courteous. B. Covert. C. Credulous. D. Coexisting. The correct answer is courteous. Despite blank the proposal in depth, the board was still divided on the final approval decision. A. Having examined. B. Having examine. C. Examine. D. Examined. The correct answer is having examined. After the internal audit highlighted compliance gaps, the board collectively decided to blank a task force to evaluate sustainability measures. A. Establish. B. Delegate. C. Eradicate. D. Elaborate. The correct answer is establish. The consultant's report provided an insightful blank into currency risk exposure, enabling the Treasury team to adjust hedging strategies. A. Perspective. B. Retrospect. C. Assessment. D. Overview. The correct answer is perspective. We must blank the quarterly projections with last year's actuals to identify significant variances before final approval. A. Reconcile. B. Relegate. C. Re-engineer. D. Reiterate. The correct answer is reconcile. The procurement manager negotiated a blank discount with the supplier, significantly reducing raw material costs for the upcoming fiscal year. A. Substantial. B. Speculative. C. Supplementary. D. Superficial. The correct answer is substantial. Despite favorable market conditions, the product launch fell short of expectations due to blank consumer demand forecasts. A. Inaccurate. B. Inadequate. C. Inadmissible. D. Inattentive. The correct answer is inaccurate. The strategic partnership agreement includes a binding blank that outlines confidentiality obligations for both parties. A. Provision. B. Prohibition. C. Probation. D. Proposition. The correct answer is provision. To optimize the supply chain, the logistics team decided to blank shipment routes based on real-time traffic data. A. Reroute. B. Redistribute. C. Revert. D. Rejuvenate. The correct answer is reroute. A sudden fluctuation in exchange rates caused significant blank losses for the export division in the first quarter. A. Unforeseen. B. Unwarranted. C. Underestimated. D. Unsupported. The correct answer is unforeseen. The compliance audit uncovered instances where procurement procedures were not blank followed, leading to regulatory concerns. A. Consistently. B. Concurrently. C. Conservatively. D. Correlatively. The correct answer is consistently. To avoid delays during peak season, warehouse staff were instructed to conduct an early blank of inventory levels and reorder points. A. Evaluation. B. Evaporation. C. Exacerbation. D. Elucidation. The correct answer is evaluation. The marketing director emphasized the need to blank the brand message across all digital channels for better audience engagement. A. Unify. B. Utilize. C. Upgrade. D. Undermine. The correct answer is unify. Following customer feedback, The design team implemented a blank adjustment to the interface to improve the user navigation experience. A. Subtle. B. Sizable. C. Substantial. D. Superficial. The correct answer is subtle. The proposal blank you submitted yesterday requires further clarification before it can be approved. A. Which. B. Whom. C. Whose. D. That. The correct answer is that. Blank by unexpected market fluctuations. The Treasury Department revised the hedging strategy immediately. A. Shocked. B. Shocking. C. Be shocked. D. To be shocked. The correct answer is shocked. By the time the audit committee convenes next month, the finance team blank the risk assessment report. A. Will have completed. B. Will complete. C. Completed. D. Would have completed. The correct answer is will have completed. All electronic payments blank processed automatically once the reconciliation process is initiated. A. Are. B. Will be. C. Were. D. Have been. The correct answer is are. The quarterly financial statements blank been reviewed by all department heads before submission. A. Should have been. B. Should have. C. Shall have been. D. Should be. The correct answer is should have been. Not until the CEO announced the merger blank the stock price began to climb. A. Did. B. Had. C. Has. D. Does. The correct answer is did. We proceeded with the capital expenditure project. Blank, the projected return on investment was uncertain. A. Although. B. Because. C. Despite. D. Unless. The correct answer is although. The vendor was fined blank failure to comply with the updated safety regulations. A. For. B. Because of. C. Due to. D. Owing to. The correct answer is for. In response to shifting market demands, the executive board unanimously approved the blank investment plan to accelerate regional expansion. A. Strategic. B. Strategically. C. Strategy. D. Stratify. The correct answer is strategic. Unless the quarterly financial report blank submitted by the finance team by the end of this week, executive bonuses will be withheld pending review. A. Is. B. Are. C. Will be. D. Had been. The correct answer is is. The expedited shipment must arrive at the manufacturing plant no later than June 30th to blank the revised production schedule without delays. A. Maintain. B. Detain. C. Sustain. D. Retain. The correct answer is maintain. Had the updated compliance guidelines been distributed to all staff prior to the audit, the regulatory team would not have flagged any violations. A. Had. B. Did. C. Were. D. Has. The correct answer is had. During the system audit, the chief engineer recommended a blank redesign of the legacy architecture to address persistent performance bottlenecks. A. Comprehensive. B. Comprehensively. C. Comprehension. D. Comprehend. The correct answer is comprehensive. All participants are expected to adhere to the confidentiality agreement, regardless of their position or level within the organization. A. Regardless. B. Irrespective. C. Regardless of. D. Irrespective of. The correct answer is regardless of. According to the latest sales report, total revenue has blank by 15% compared to the previous quarter, outperforming initial projections. A. Increased. B. Been increased. C. Been increasing. D. Increase. The correct answer is increased. Due to the unexpected software glitch, users experienced intermittent blank and disconnects when attempting to log into the secure portal. A. Interruptions. B. Interruption. C. Interrupting. D. Interrupt. The correct answer is interruptions. In order to achieve fair distribution of budgets, the Finance Committee must ensure an equitable resource allocation methodology across all departments. A. Equitable. B. Equally. C. Equity. D. Equate. The correct answer is equitable. While the prototype design appears promising in preliminary tests, additional stress testing is necessary to blank its long-term reliability under extreme conditions. A. Validate. B. Evaluate. C. Culminate. D. Vacillate. The correct answer is validate. Had the critical system update been implemented earlier, the production servers would have withstood the sudden traffic spike without experiencing downtime. A. Withstand. B. Withstood. C. Be withstanding. D. Have withstood. The correct answer is have withstood. By the end of this month, the Finance Department must submit a comprehensive breakdown of actual versus projected expenses for each major project. A. Submit. B. Consummate. C. Prosecute. D. Presume. The correct answer is submit. Neither the CFO nor the COO is willing to approve the revised budget proposal until key performance metrics are re-evaluated. A. Is. B. Are. C. Were. D. Have. The correct answer is. Please confirm that all confidential contracts and sensitive documents are stored in a secure location with multi-factor authentication and restricted access. A. Location. B. Loco. C. Locality. D. Local. The correct answer is location. Following the corporate merger, the company streamlined its divisional management structure to streamline decision-making processes and eliminate redundancies. A. Streamlined. B. Streamlines. C. Will streamline. D. Streamlining. The correct answer is streamlined. We anticipate that the new incentive program will boost employee participation in upcoming corporate training sessions by offering performance-based rewards. A. Boost. B. Host. C. Roost. D. Cost. The correct answer is boost. The marketing brochures were finalized and printed prior to the international product launch event to ensure timely distribution at the conference. A. Prior to. B. Subsequent to. C. Concurrent with. D. Following. The correct answer is prior to. To minimize operational disruptions, maintenance tasks will be scheduled outside normal business hours during low demand periods. A. Outside. B. Despite. C. Inside. D. Before. The correct answer is outside. In order to comply with international quality benchmarks, the assembly line was modified to incorporate additional inspection points and verification protocols. A. Modified. B. Modify. C. Modification. D. Modifier. The correct answer is modified. Although competitors have lowered prices significantly, our management team remains confident in the product's sustainable competitive advantages and brand reputation. A. Sustainable. B. Sustainability. C. Sustain. D. Sustenance. The correct answer is sustainable. After conducting a comprehensive competitor analysis, the product team decided to blank the feature roadmap accordingly. A. Adjust. B. Administer. C. Adhere. D. Advertise. The correct answer is adjust. By the time the external auditors arrive, all financial records blank been organized and cross-verified. A. Will have. B. Will. C. Have. D. Had. The correct answer is will have. Not until the shipment confirmation email was received, blank, we realized that the order had already shipped. A. Did. B. Had. C. Has. D. Would. The correct answer is did. We must blank the contract terms before initiating any further negotiations with the supplier. A. Formalize. B. Formulate. C. Format. D. Forsake. The correct answer is formalize. Despite blank the new compliance software, several departments continue to rely on legacy systems. A. Implementing. B. Implemented. C. To implement. D. Implement. The correct answer is implementing. The CEO requested that the updated strategic plan, blank, by all senior managers before the retreat. A. Be reviewed. B. Review. C. Has reviewed. D. Was reviewed. The correct answer is be reviewed. All annual performance evaluations, blank, to HR by the end of this week without exception. A. Must be submitted. B. Are submitted. C. Were submitted. D. Should submit. The correct answer is must be submitted. The procurement department negotiated aggressively, blank, secure better pricing from the new vendor. A. To. B. In order to. C. For. D. So that. The correct answer is in order to. Due to unexpected regulatory changes, management had to blank the project timeline to comply with new standards. A. Revise. B. Reveal. C. Revisit. D. Revoke. The correct answer is revise. Please ensure that all confidential data files, blank, stored on the encrypted server only. A. Are. B. Is. C. Were. D. Have. The correct answer is are. Following the merger announcement, the stock price, blank, dropped by more than 10% within hours. A. Unexpectedly. B. Expectedly. C. Inexplicably. D. Unanimously. The correct answer is unexpectedly. The marketing brochure must be finalized and blank printed before the end of the fiscal quarter. A. Professionally. B. Promptly. C. Purposely. D. Preliminarily. The correct answer is promptly. We recommend conducting a blank risk assessment prior to expanding into new international markets. A. Comprehensive. B. Comparative. C. Competent. D. Compelled. The correct answer is comprehensive. Unless additional funding, blank, secured by the finance team, the project will be halted next month. A. Is. B. Are. C. Will. D. Has. The correct answer is. Not only, blank, the product line been expanded, but customer satisfaction also improved significantly. A. Has. B. Have. C. Had. D. Did. The correct answer is. Have. To foster innovation, the R&D budget allocation will be, blank, reviewed every 6 months. A. Quarterly. B. Annual. C. Annually. D. Annualized. The correct answer is quarterly. Having analyzed the preliminary survey results, the team identified several, blank, opportunities for process improvement. A. Viable. B. Variable. C. Vital. D. Visual. The correct answer is viable. The CFO advised that all capital expenditures, blank, budgeted in advance to avoid cash flow issues. A. Should be. B. Will be. C. Are. D. Must. The correct answer is should be. Despite, blank, extensive market research, the product failed to meet customer expectations on launch day. A. Having conducted. B. Conducting. C. To conduct. D. Having been conducted. The correct answer is having conducted. The vendor agreement includes a blank clause that triggers penalties in the event of late deliveries. A. Penalty. B. Penalize. C. Penalizing. D. Penal. The correct answer is penalty. The audit team was asked to blank all expense reports submitted after the vendor conference for potential discrepancies. A. Review. B. Revise. C. Retrieve. D. Revere. The correct answer is review. Because the CFO, blank, the revised figures prior to submission, the report contained no calculation errors. A. Verifies. B. Had verified. C. Verified. D. Will verify. The correct answer is had verified. Applicants who fail to comply with the new protocol, blank, be denied access to secure documents. A. Will. B. Would. C. Must. D. Might. The correct answer is must. The new marketing strategy, along with the expanded product line, blank, increased overall brand awareness. A. Has. B. Have. C. Had. D. Having. The correct answer is has. Not until the logistics coordinator, blank, the shipment did we realize the package was delayed. A. Did confirm. B. Had confirmed. C. Has confirmed. D. Does confirm. The correct answer is had confirmed. The procurement team negotiated more, blank, payment terms to improve cash flow during the off-season. A. Flexible. B. Flexibly. C. Flexibility. D. Sustained. The correct answer is flexible. Despite, blank, extensive market research, the product failed to meet customer expectations on launch day. A. Having conducted. B. Conducting. C. To conduct. D. Having been conducted. The correct answer is conducting. All stakeholders, blank, be notified of any changes to the project timeline within 24 hours. A. Should. B. Will. C. Must. D. May. The correct answer is should. The quarterly memo outlines key performance indicators and, blank, to ensure alignment with corporate objectives. A. Milestones. B. Milestone. C. Milestoning. D. Milestoning. The correct answer is milestones. Before the system rollout, the IT department conducted a blank test to identify potential vulnerabilities. A. Thorough. B. Thoroughly. C. Thoroughness. D. Thoroughness. The correct answer is thorough. The sales forecast for the next fiscal period, blank, by 10% after adjusting for seasonal fluctuations. A. Was revised. B. Is revised. C. Has been revised. D. Will be revised. The correct answer is revised. When the revised guidelines were distributed, all employees, blank, required to acknowledge receipt electronically. A. Were. B. Are. C. Will. D. Have been. The correct answer is were. The finance division plans to blank the new budgeting software by the end of the quarter. A. Implement. B. Implementing. C. Implemented. D. To implement. The correct answer is implement. Unless additional documentation, blank, received by Friday, the application will be considered incomplete. A. Is. B. Are. C. Will. D. Has. The correct answer is. Having reviewed the supplier contract, the legal team recommended several blank amendments before final sign-off. A. Minor. B. Minimal. C. Minimally. D. Minimum. The correct answer is minor. The annual stakeholder meeting will, blank, held at the main office auditorium on August 12th. A. B. Been. C. Being. D. To be. The correct answer is B. All expense reimbursements, blank, processed within 7 business days of submission. A. Are. B. Will be. C. Were. D. Have been. The correct answer is are. The marketing survey results revealed consumer preferences, blank, diverse and sometimes unpredictable. A. Were. B. Was. C. Being. D. To be. The correct answer is were. To ensure compliance, internal auditors, blank, random checks on procurement records monthly. A. Conduct. B. Conducting. C. Conducted. D. To conduct. The correct answer is conduct. Although the project deadline was tight, the development team delivered the application, blank, expectations. A. Beyond. B. Above. C. Under. D. Over. The correct answer is beyond.